This is Wilkinson Street. Please ensure you've purchased a ticket or validated
Driver's
your
getting out.
smartphone before boarding.
That
This
tram is late.
is for Phoenix Park.
And I do have some time. But if I don't, stay in my peace forever. Here it is. Off we go. This is David Lane. This is Lincoln Street. Where this is a connector from the EMR service from Worksop, Nottingham, Mansfield Woodhouse, and that's just it, via Kirkby Ashfield, Sutton Ashfield. But now we are switching from the Hucknall one and Get one. Yeah. We are switching the tram from Hucknall, from the tram to go to Bulwell Forest. That's what we're heading for. Just remainder of 7 minutes left. If I don't make it into 7 minutes left, I have to turn around and come back here, which is I don't want to do that instead. So these two barriers at the front of the next to the tram stop, I didn't hit the floor. time now is 08:38. It's probably 08:30. Maybe it could be for your works up to Nottingham line. But I have to, you know, there's a tram that is stopping at Bulwell, so we can check that a reminder. And I'll return, and I'm going to Bulwell Forest. It doesn't hit the floor no more. Only does when it's, you know. Last time that I came here, someone broke the skirts right there and then threw the skirts to there. I think I can see a train going on here. Is it the train that I'm looking about? Oh no. Oh, this is a tram. Oh, God. So I have to wait for the next 2 hours. Not 2 hours. 2 minutes. Until that train is coming. They are on here. Pink. W trains, what are you doing with that barrier? Better not fuck with it. My tram is in 2 minutes, so we're heading up there. One last bang. If you see that JS level crossings, he hit the floor at Britlington for no reason. Some reason for no reason. I can even bang this as well. Where is it? My tram's in 2 minutes. It's heading to there it is. There's a sweet guy that I need. So that tram 223 has left. The tram that is in 1 minute is now arriving at platform, I believe 1. I don't know. The train is not here, so good timing that I started vlogging, because I thought I was missed the closure. Could be either from that direction or that direction. We don't know, because that junction over there is Bulwell South Junction. And there's the sweet baby that I need. Tram 225. I saw the train coming. I can see it going towards the crossing. We have what's 7203?
This tram is for Nottingham.
7203 to Nottingham.
Is Highbury Vale.
Almost there at Bulwell Forest. I'm going to change that. Oh, that signal's changed. And now we're heading off.
This tram is for Nottingham. The next stop is Bulwell Forest.
here. Walking back Bulwell Forest. This is Bulwell Forest. After filming one closure, I need to head back to Wilkinson Street tram stop. I know there's like, I don't know, 15 minutes left or 11 minutes left, but I can't stay for another closure. Maybe I could just stand here or something, or I can just stand into the platform. This journey is okay. Journey I want to do from, if I can manage to do that from Nottingham to Worksop, or more from Bulwell to Worksop. Let's have a go. Mine's in 8 minutes. Don't worry. Yeah, mine's in 7 minutes now. I swear what says 7 minutes before then. This is Ballast Rocks, as you can see. So, make sure to not tread on them or don't do something really bad to them. If the driver or tram driver seeing you messing about in the railways, he might get a penalty of £1,000, and you might get a penalty of he might get killed of a train that is going like a 40 miles per hour speed, and it has to honk. It has to honk at you, because if you're trespassing, don't complain to me. Just complain to you. These are the zones. So imagine if I can get imagine if I can get a short hop for £2. You have to stay where these Hocknell zones, Bulwell zone, Hyacinth Green zone, City Centre zone, Wilford zone, and Clifton zone, Bulwell zone, Hyacinth Green zone, City Centre zone, QMC zone / Queen Medical Centre zone, Beeston zone, and Bramcote zone, which is from Cater Lane to Toton Lane. Mine is still in 10 minutes. So I'll see you guys later. No service between Phoenix Park and Harbour Vale, which is my time's in 1 minute. Which means that there's like a killer that happened in Harbour Vale maybe yesterday or the day before. But this happens to the serial killer as down. I think there's like a serial killer going on, so the police are dealing with it. Low crossing slowing down. There's my tram. Tram 225. See you guys at with tram 212 all the way to Hocknell. Now we're released. Goodbye. Oh, there's the train. On to what does 17203. Didn't realise that was coming. Should have stayed at Bulwell first. We're closure or something. That sucks. But here we are. We are Bulwell Forest. Not Bulwell Forest. No. Bulwell, sorry.
Yeah. What they're doing something.
It's a good way of bracing, isn't it? Knees to knees. I said it's a good way of bracing, knees to knees, to stop you from sliding around in your seat.
So we're going to be approaching to Harbour Vale sooner. And then David and Basford. And then my stop is Wilkinson Street. Which we're not. The driver stopped for a second and then left Harbour Vale. Who does that?
Can it grow in? No. So it's an underwater mat.
You got a train curve or
Is it kelp?
crazy, isn't it? Yeah. The original trains usually do. But they have 2 or 3, I can't remember.
Now we're approaching
Station 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he did that. But usually,
Around that. Yeah.
And he made it into an attraction first time.
Oh, right.
So they built the station full as a hotel.
Yeah.
People going on trains.
Only a few
Stop
bolts
and
down.
walk around.
Ah.
That's where it originated. That's why it's a navigation.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never rain.
Right.
Rain with this technically.
That bit. Yeah.
Newsted is actually up that side as well. Yeah, Newsted Hospital.
Yeah.
Newsted's a big area.
Yeah, Newsted used to be like a mental hospital, didn't it?
Big hospital.
Yeah, it used to be like a mental hospital.
all
Yes.
that- all
That's
that.
gone now, though, because it's all housing, isn't it?
Yeah, they built new house.
Yeah. I can remember hospital,
So
yeah.
Newsted was never been raised.
Because you know from our side, we
I
used
had
to
lots
down
more.
at
I've answered
hospital,
lots more questions.
That back old house,
Yeah.
to get it, have it free.
Yeah. That was
No, I give
from
up.
the shelter.
Yeah. Yeah.
The footpath comes off
That's an animal.
that road
Yeah.
I did say I've seen it.
Yeah.
There's an animal and a
We used to go on at hospitals
Yeah, you do.
and back to
It
people's
is
houses.
both.
Yeah, well, they used to be the houses.
I meant hospital.
I can always remember houses. And I'm not saying there are a lot. Oh no, I'm not about them on that side. There. As you're going up that,
Oh, yeah,
on the left hand
yeah.
side. Yeah. Them houses. All the new houses are on where hospital is. Yeah. It was.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna stop at Wilkinson Street and then. Thanks, excuse me. Excuse me.
Can you remember the fish pool? That's in there.
That's the stop shop, you know?
Crossroads.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the big.
All that house is
Time 211. Oh, heading to Edix Park. The Robert Headland.
We go to change words.
At Craig used to go every car. The distance, that's a full, that's that. He knew every car. When it was like
This is Wilkinson Street.